Hi, and welcome to FestivalBazaar vendor tutorials. Today we're going to show you how to set up your vendor tent. Now before we can list our first product, we'll need to go into our vendor tent. You can find your vendor tent in the vendor tab on the sidebar here. Or if you try to list your products and services, you would automatically be redirected to your vendor tent. So what is your vendor tent name? For this, I'm going to say it's Witch of the Fae. A description about you, about the creator of the tent, about what your goals or your vision or your inspiration is, whatever you want to let people know about yourself. So you can add your logo, your banner, your display status. If you don't have any products to list, I would recommend turning this to off, but since we're going to go through and list products right away, I'm going to leave it as on. So then you'll list your vendor information. Where's your business address? Let us know. This is optional information, but it would be very helpful to buyers to know what is your return exchange policy, what is your delivery policy, how long does it take to process your pieces before shipping. Any information that you think would be helpful to buyers so that they can go ahead and make that purchase. The last section is our meta tag, title, meta keyword, and description. So this is the information that's displayed in search results, for instance, on Google. The tag title will be the top line title, that's a clickable link. And then the tag description is the short bio description or product description that's listed underneath the link. So once you have that information, you'll just click Save. And now our vendor tent is created and we're ready to publish our first listings.